Hi guys, welcome back to Zenity Tech. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change background image every second using pure CSS. So I'm going to be changing this background image of a div using only CSS. So let's start doing this right now. Let's create a div. Let's call this div let's give it a class. Let's say the class is let's say slide. Let's say slider container. So let's style this. Let's style this guy. Let's say body. Let's give our body margin. Let's give it margin 0. Let's give it padding. Let's say 0. Let's style our slide container. Let's give it width. Let's give it 1200 pixels. Let's give it height 660 pixels. Let's give it let's say border 5 pixels solid gray. Let's give it margin auto. Let's give it margin auto. Let's also give it margin top 20 pixels. Let's give it background image. Let's say background image, have image in this folder. If I move one step back, I can get my images. So locate your images and link your images appropriately. So right now I have created a simple design of what we are going to be using, and this is just a simple design of what we're going to be using. This is just what we did now, and you can see nothing is happening. So let's go over and use the CSS animation to make our background images change every second according to how we need it. Okay, so we're going to be using what we call the keyframe, the CSS keyframe. Let's say at keyframe. This is used for CSS animation. Let's say the at keyframe. Let's call this slide. Let's call this animation slide. The name of the animation is slide. Now we want to start doing this guy now. At 0% of this animation, we want at 0%. What image exactly do you want to be showing at the 0% of this animation? Let's show the same image that is the default image at 0%. So we're going to be changing using four different images. Okay, so at 0% we say 25%. Let's call this guy, let's give this guy 50%. Let's give this guy 75%, and this guy should take 100%. So this should be the image 2, this should be the image 3, this should be image 4. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to bind this our CSS animation to the particular div element that it will affect. Okay, let's give our image background size. Let's give it background size. Let's say all the images to take background size 100%. Now let's give it our animation name first. So now we want to link this simple animation that I've created here to this particular div element. So the name of the animation first, which is the slide. Now the next thing we're going to define is how long will the animation take to complete 100% from 0%. Let's say 8 seconds. Let's say 8 seconds. Now we want to add the animation delay. How much time will it delay for the animation to start? Let's say 2 seconds. How much time was the iteration count for the animation? How much time the animation will run? Let's say let this animation run to infinity. Let it continue running without stopping. So this is it. Let's check what we have. Let's refresh this page and see what is going to happen. You can see it is working perfectly fine. So this is just a simple way to create animation. You can see we are changing this image background, this div background every second. Okay, so this is just what we are doing. When this animation is at 0%, will be displayed the image 1. When it goes to 25% or 25% of this particular 8 seconds that we define here. We enter the image 2 as 50%, the image 3 will view. At 75%, the image 4 will show. Then when it gets to 100%, it will show the default image again and start the cycle all over again. This is just a very simple way to change image every second in using pure CSS. Thank you once again for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, just do me a favor, hit that red subscription button, also like and share this video. Thank you once again for watching, and goodbye.